I cut green, red, yellow, and orange peppers in half, gut them out, and washed them. And you can use any colors of your choice. Next, you want to cook your peppers covered at 350 for 20 minutes. Pinch to see if the peppers are slightly soft to the touch. Peppers will have a small amount of water in them from cooking. Leave it there. Do not take it out. I browned 1.5 pounds of ground beef with onions, chopped garlic, seasoning salt, Italian seasoning, accent, and black pepper. To that, I added 2 types of cheese, Italian cheese and cheddar cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. Mix well until the cheese is melted. Now to this mixture, I'm going to add cooked rice. I'm going to mix it well. Make sure you get everything incorporated. Now let's give it a taste to make sure everything is tasting good. Look at all that cheese. Yummy. Now comes the time to stuff the peppers. I usually fill them right to the rim of the pepper. I make sure I stuff every section on the inside of that pepper. Next, I'm going to top it off with a little more cheese. And now I'm going to spoon spaghetti sauce or marinara sauce on the top of each pepper. The last thing I'm going to do is sprinkle Italian seasoning over the top of each pepper. Now I'm going to loosely cover the peppers with aluminum foil. Then I'm going to stick it into a 400-degree oven. And I'm going to bake that for about 30 minutes. Remember, you can adjust your bake time. You want to get your peppers soft. I like my peppers to be a little firm, but you can bake it anywhere from 25 to 45 minutes in the oven. And this is your end results. Oh my goodness. Thanks for watching, guys.